and welcome to the Sugar Vixen channel. My name's Tanisha and today I'm going to be showing you another delicious recipe. Please support us at our new Patreon page. The link is at the bottom. Today we are going to be baking up a delicious recipe called Chocolate Delight. It's one of my favorite recipes. My mom used to make this pie growing up. It kind of gives you like the vibe of the old school Hostess chocolate pies, but just way better. We're gonna go ahead and get started.
Here's a snapshot of all the ingredients that you'll need. Feel free to pause if necessary. Next, you're going to want to coat your baking dish with cooking spray or melted butter. I chose melted butter. You can either use a 13 by 9 inch baking dish or you can use two 8 by 8 baking dishes. And for this recipe, I used two 8 by 8s. The recipe calls for 1.5 cups of chopped toasted pecans. So I went ahead and toasted the pecans over medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. I now have my bowl of 1.5 cups of self-rising flour, and I'm mixing my pecans into the flour and a half cup of unsalted melted butter. So this is going to be the crust of our pie. So you can just gently mix it. I used a hand mixer for the first few minutes, and then when it started to get a little crumbly, I went ahead and just mixed it with my hand to kind of put it all together. Next, I'm gonna press the mixture into the prepared baking dish in a thin layer, patting the mixture evenly into all the corners. Once I finish pressing the mixture into the prepared baking dish in a thin layer, I'm gonna bake this until it's set. So it's gonna be baking for about 20 minutes, and then after I bake it for about 20 minutes, I'm gonna remove it from the oven and I'm gonna let it cool for 30 minutes. I'm gonna beat 1 pack of 8-ounce cream cheese with the electric mixer on medium speed until it's really creamy, so about 2 minutes or so. I'm then gonna add 1 cup of unsifted powdered sugar and gradually add it to the cream cheese and beat it until it's well blended. So I'm gonna beat it for about 45 seconds to 1 minute. Next, we are going to fold in 1 cup of thawed whipped cream topping. So I used Cool Whip. You can use any other frozen whipped topping you wish. I'm going to now spread the mixture evenly over our cooled crust. In a separate bowl, we're going to prepare our pudding. So I used 1 package of the 3.4 ounce of vanilla instant pudding and a package of the 5.9 ounce of chocolate instant pudding. Now I'm going to whisk together the milk and the chocolate and vanilla pudding mixes together until it's well combined. we're gonna now pour our pudding mixture over our cream cheese layer and spread evenly. Now, last but not least, we're going to spread the remaining whipped topping over the top of the pudding mixture. And if you like, you could drizzle it with chocolate syrup. You can put sprinkles on the top. I just made mine simple. Honestly, I probably could have used more whipped cream, but I kind of ran out. But here is the finished product. Oh my gosh, this pie is so delicious, and especially that homemade crust just gives it a whole nother taste. It makes it taste very decadent, very rich, and just delicious. So please share, like, and subscribe. See you next time.